What's up, guys? It is May. I just blanked out. It's May 2nd, 2024. Pretty nice day. We had a bull trend. What kind of bull trend? I don't even know. No, I'm playing. It's kind of like a broad channel. Kinda. That's better. Ooh, look at that. How it was respected before it was put in. That even makes sense. Okay. So I'm pretty happy with everything. I hope you guys are doing good. Yeah, let's get started. This is a gap up. I'm gonna go through each bar by bar, and talk about leg one, leg two moves in between. Give me 2 seconds. I'm about to cough. I'm gonna mute the mic. Okay. So yeah, gap up, bar one, no continuation. Bulls try and break above this EMA and break above this EMA. I think there are more sellers because of this leg down, and the EMA has been the higher time frame EMA has been acting as resistance. There's a gap here. So I think this is the first gap bar above the higher time frame EMA, so there could be more sellers around the EMA. So bar one, more sellers on the EMA, and bear starts to reverse below the 5 minute EMA. Bar two, follow through for bar one. That's good for the bears. They're already putting a decent bar below the EMA right in the morning. Most mornings are range bound, but we can see bears are trying to put a gap in, and with bar three, that gap is put in right here. So that's signs for a bear trend. Bar four is continuation. So the first 20 minutes is just straight up selling. Bar five becomes the first pullback, and then with bar so first pullbacks in a good trend usually it's like a sell. In this case, it's a sell. It's the first pullback. It's a sell, and that happens. So they get the leg one, leg two. Bar six is a higher high, but it's still kind of like a bull channel, like right there, and then it breaks out. Bears get another gap. Bar six, that's bar six. Bar seven sells off and reverses higher. Bar nine, the bulls try and come up a little bit, and it vacuums down. Excuse me, I said bar nine. This is bar eight. I'm still getting used to the 3, 6, 9. Damn, girlfriend, give it to my mom. I'm just joking. Are you guys that old? How old is everyone here? I'm 29. So I'm never gonna forget that every time I see this now. 3, 6, 9. Oh my gosh, that's in my head for as long as these numbers stay up. uh, 3, 6, 9, 8. Is that this is 8? Oh, I lost my train of thought. Okay, 8 is a vacuum into yesterday's low. Bar 9, I actually got trapped here, but I hit out very quickly because this could be a two-legged trap. Two-legged traps happen a lot in ranges. 50% of the time, the market can back into support or resistance. So that's what we got here today. Bar 9 is a reversal bar. Bar 10 is follow through. We got high pollen count, so my allergies are acting up today. I apologize if there's pauses within this video. High pollen count. That gets me. That I can be sick, I can be everything, but it's the allergies that always get me. 9, 10, 11. It's a very strong bar. It comes to the low of bar 8 and reverses higher. This is a double bottom. Break above bar 8's range. So that's good for the bulls, bad for the bears. I think the market's more range bound now because we have a big down, big up. So if that's the case, there's buyers at low, sellers at highs. Big down, big up. Bulls get 2 legs here. I thought this was a pretty cool 2 legs. I caught this second leg higher. I think it's pretty cool because we have a leg one, pull back leg two. But within this leg here, we have 3 legs. Leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. So that's a wedge top. So that's a sell. And it worked. You could sell back into the EMA because there are more sellers sitting. There have been more sellers around the EMA for quite some time. But with that being said, so where are we? Let's start. So bar 9, bar 10, bar 11. So here, first leg into the EMA, bar 14 sells off. Bar 15 is a pullback. That's also a trend line break, so it's also, I think it's a good fade to the recent highs. Bar 16 is a strong bar. This went one tick below bar 15 and then trended higher. It didn't close above or would have been an outside bar. Bar 17 is a contraction, so leg one, pullback leg two. Bar 18 breaks above the EMA. Bar 19 is follow through for the bulls, but it's bad with no body. Bar 20 is a breakout, but it's 3 legs higher. So we have to ask ourselves, is this a good breakout or could we reverse? Haven't had a real pullback for the bulls yet. Let's see here. Oh, I just noticed something. Okay, so kind of wasn't necessarily meant all the way. How about right here into the EMA? What I noticed, yeah, that's a little bit better. What I just noticed was leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, right? Pull back leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. So that's tight. And that lines up for, I think, a pretty good trade either side. If you see a bar 21, 22, 23, I think it's safe to get out longs because that's 3 bars with more bearish pressure. We're trading under the EMA, so the higher time frame EMA is acting as resistance. So I think 3 bars under that's good. Sells off into support. That is, the market goes range bound for about 2 hours here, or about an hour and a half. Bar 18's low is acting as support. Market reverses higher, and this gives a chance for, I actually got caught here. This gives it, because I was thinking it was in a vacuum up here, then it reversed, and then I just waited and got out at this lower high. That's why the market sold off, because bulls that got trapped here wait for lower prices, they buy more, market comes up. I got out as bar 30 was turning up, so that was a pretty good exit. It was right below bar 21. And look, the market went sideways and down for the next about 5-10, about an hour. Bar 42, I actually missed the most of this rally. I caught this last leg up, and then I was out the house for this. I had to pop out. Bar 42 looks like a lower high. Bulls have been making, that's a lower high. Looks like a higher low. Bar 9's a higher low. 15 higher low. Higher low. And it's sideways. And a higher low. So bulls are making higher lows. Bar 43 is good follow through. 44 is also good follow through. 45, bulls are trying to break out. This could be a vacuum test of the higher time frame or testing the open, because at this point in time we don't really know if it's a range. I still think there were more sellers above, but clearly they got the breakout and it kept going. I didn't get trapped going short here. I still was long. I'm just thinking, like, are we range bound or are we breaking out? So yeah, breakout, pause under the EMA. People taking support, could be bearish shorting, second leg, and then we go sideways. Break above the higher time frame EMA. This looks like a pretty good bull flag. Leg 1, pull back. 51 is a high 1, pull back. 54. 54 could be a high 2 because it traded 1 tick above 53. But I like 55 the best if we were to get long. It does pull back right away. Here's that double bottom. I'm just thinking about something real quick. I'm thinking about what happens if we had a limit order set here. So yeah, 57, 58 is a pullback. 59, bulls start to rally again, and they get that micro through legs, fractal, leg 1, pullback, leg 2, goes climactic. I got out on bar 66 because bar 65 looked like it was a climax. Bar 67 sells off fast. I saw that. It looked like a vacuum, but bulls quickly bought lower and they even made money with 68. That was a good close for them. However, bar 69 reverses, and the bears get their 2 legs. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2. Looks like it's a 2-legged trap late in the day. 69, 68, leg 1. Bar 71 is a pullback. Oh, yeah, okay. 71, 72, lower high, and that sells off. 73 is a breakout. 74 is follow through. 75 looks like they're testing the higher time frame EMA. 76, reversal bar. 78, market's going more sideways. I think there's no point in trading. I mean, this is actually not bad of a range, honestly. You could make a little bit of money here, but if you haven't made money here, maybe it's good to just take a break and restart tomorrow. 78 is a strong breakout bar. Follow through with 79, and the market goes sideways for the last 2 bars. So we had the market cycle. We could see the market cycle all within today. Let's just go over the market cycle real quick. So breakout, first pullback is channel phase. So we channel, right? So that's channel, and then we go range bound. So that's the entire phase market cycle. It's breakout, channel, range. When we go into range, in the blue book, Al talks about how failed breakouts previously will become targets, and we see that happen clearly today. 63 is a target. That's met with, could say 70. It's definitely met with 73. Then the low of 58 becomes a target, and that's met with 74. And the low of 53 becomes a target, and that was met with 76. It wasn't really met, actually. Barely. It wasn't really. It was not. I don't think that's an adequate test. So yeah, we can see how that all got tested. Really cool to start to see these things come alive and as they're unfolding. Hope you guys are doing good. That's just about 10 minutes. We got a jam. I drop these videos every day at 3 p.m. If you guys are learning, let me know. If you guys are not learning, you get these videos suck, please also let me know. My feelings will not get hurt. I would really appreciate it if you guys didn't like these videos, don't understand them. If you could just tell me a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna keep sticking to bar by bar analysis because I could feel myself thinking more in terms of buyers and sellers now. Not like some robot, but it's just like a faint thought. Sometimes I'm like, wait, where are the sellers? Wait, where are the buyers? So hope it's working for you nicely. Hope you guys are starting to think like this. Not saying it's the right way to think, but if you are trading price action, it is pretty important to know where the buyers and sellers are. Have a good one. I'll talk to you guys later. Don't drink and drive. It's Wednesday. Yeah, no, it's Thursday. It's Thirsty Thursday. Yeah, definitely don't drink and drive, guys. Well, don't drink and drive any day. But anyways, have a good one. Bye.